Hi guys, for this mini lab, for this section of the notes, you need this mini lab container. You need markers to document the change in BTB. You need a small petri dish, which is plastic. Usually they're plastic. You need a cup labeled CO2. The source for CO2 will be club soda. The bubbles in soda are carbon dioxide bubbles. So instead of breathing out human air with a straw, our CO2 source in this case will just be club soda. It will do the same thing. And a small pipette. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take this small petri dish and you're going to put some BTB from the main reaction container in it. It doesn't matter how much you put in as long as it covers the bottom, because BTB doesn't react in the reaction. The quantity does not matter. So I'm going to fill it up like that. Just a little bit. Perfect. And then I am going to have my markers ready, and I'm going to drop a couple of drops at first and swirl it so you get the final color change. When you put the drops in, it will be really pretty one color right in the middle where the drops went in, but you want to distribute the CO2 throughout the whole petri dish. So you shake it and then document that color, and then put some more in, swirl it, and then document that color right here. Okay, and if you want to, at the end, you can just dump this whole thing in and see this really beautiful color. All right, so make sure you record your results right here. This one is easy. This is the one that has no CO2, so it's how it came to you. The BTB in this case would just be blue. So you would color that in blue right there already. You don't even need to do this little experiment for it. Now the key will be figuring out when would you put the green and when will you put the yellow. That's all. When you are finished with the reaction, this will be a different color. Find your plastic waste container in your supply kit and simply pour this inside. Put this back in the marker container along with the cup and the small pipette and the amount of markers you were given, and we'll move on to the main lab in the larger container.